When you open up Unity's particle system, you are met with a lot of complexity, which will either turn you away from trying, or you'll fall down the rabbit hole of endless tweaking. Being able to create well-fitting custom particle effects to your games and experiences is an important capability that I feel more people could be proficient in, if only they can overcome these early hurdles. This can be done by breaking the problem into 3 discrete steps. 1. Shape and motion. Shape consists of where these particles are spawning from and how they are shaped. Motion seems straightforward, but some of the controls are confusing. Two, apply animation principles. Anticipation, overshoot, and settle. Three, color and scale. Do this step through in-game experimentation. Take it to the extremes so you know where the sweet spot is.